Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to show you the newest Santa Claus lane. You may have seen this quilt. We've featured it a few times before, always a customer favorite. And when I saw Stof Christmas, you may have remembered me introducing you to that many months back. I decided to recolor Santa Claus lane, everything prefused and laser cut. That's applique, and of course Stof Christmas for your backgrounds, your binding, and you'll have a beautiful backing to coordinate as well in that kit with a beautiful, simple 6-piece thread set to stitch everything down. So I wanted to just connect with you again. Santa Claus lane sells out every year. And this time when we saw Stof Christmas, I'm like, oh, I love the metallic in it. So this version will have more metallic accents than ever before. So if you love that beautiful just sparkle of the metallic, gold metallic accent, be sure to pick up that Stof project, which is Santa Claus lane. And speaking of Stof Christmas, we went to town with this. This is easily the most elegant, beautiful, and unique Christmas collection, timeless Christmas collection we've ever seen. Stof Christmas are a Danish design. They're in Denmark. And these fabrics are they're just beautiful. So I'll just show you what's here on set with me, what's available to you, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the notions that we did use to make our sample quilt of Santa Claus lane. On my side over here, we've got the folded star hot pad and hanging towel in the red and the gold accents. And then over here on the green, supporting videos on both of those projects. So you can definitely check those out. They're so much fun to make, and they make great gifts as well. I love any excuse I can to sew and be able to give that as a handmade gift. And it's always fun to watch people open up a gift and they know you made it for them. It's just next level special when we're able to be giving things that we've created. On the table with me from Poorhouse Designs, this is the fold and stitch leaf table topper. A really fun project to make. Another supporting video. Beautiful on a table, maybe one of those beautiful candles in the middle. It's just a really elegant table center focal piece, and of course the beautiful gold detail as the light flickers just really accentuates that. If you're like me and you want to kind of have that whole home look where you've got your beautiful Santa Claus lane hanging in the kitchen, there's the hot pads, the hanging towels, maybe on the dining room table, you've got your fold and stitch leaf table topper, but you want something else. Maybe you want a quilt for the bedroom or guest room. Be sure to check out, we have Stof Christmas Precuts for a limited time. They're so beautiful, and these are just 2 of the colorways. I think there's 8 different colorways available, whites and silvers and tans, reds, of course beautiful greens and more, and yardage. So if you're looking for more fabric to do more projects with Stof Christmas, I totally agree with that, by the way, good call. Be sure to pick up those things. This is the maximum amount that we have available, and we cannot get more yardage. So be sure to grab those precuts and yardage as you need them for more projects. To make Santa Claus lane, of course, we're going to need some ingredients. We definitely use some of our rulers. The ones I'll call your attention to, the 2.5 inch by 24.5 inch is really a handy ruler. Not imperative, but a great one to have on hand. A, for just cutting jelly roll strips when you want to make your own jelly roll, or maybe making a jelly roll rug. But in this instance, on this project, our borders are cut to 2.5, and our binding strips, of course, are cut to 2.5. So it's a great one to have on hand for this specific project. And also the 4.5 inch. We have a lot of our blocks that are 4.5 inch going into the project, finishing at 4. I found that really handy. And of course, these other 2 smaller rulers as well, because we're working with just smaller portions of fabric. If you do pick up that thread set, grab the super nonstick size 80-12. They were great for the fusible applique. And as I said, every single piece of this applique will be pre-fused and laser cut for you. But the backgrounds, of course, need to be precisely cut. Grab that fresh blade. If you're wanting a 1/4 inch aid, I recommend the seam guide setter for you. and it has a full tutorial on that product as well. So Stof Christmas is, I feel like it's a once in a lifetime collection that it just absolutely stopped me in my tracks when I saw it, and we just kept designing with it, and more projects coming your way still. So thanks for giving me part of your day to show you not only Santa Claus Lane, but also all the other beautiful fabrics from the Stof Christmas Collection. I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.